So this here is my Evo 10 that I am building to give away to one of you guys. And if you want to enter in on winning it, head to the website. There's just over 2 weeks left to get entered in on winning the Evo 10 when it's all complete. Today's mission is to make the exterior look way better. I know you guys are dying to see performance mods, and I'm dying to mod it as well, but I need to get more miles on it, more break-in miles on the brand new engine before we do a fuel system, before we get it on the dyno and make at least 500 wheel horsepower. So today's mission, today's goal is to get this exterior looking much better. As of right now, in my opinion, I think it looks a little goofy. Let's fix that. So the first thing I want to get done today is get this front lip paint matched and installed onto the car. Now this guy is for a factory car, factory body. The Evo, as you can see, has a Street Fighter LA wide body kit. So I do need to do a little bit of mods to get this to fit properly, and then we'll get it painted and installed. I only spent maybe 20 minutes and I got this lip fitting like an OEM lip. Even in black, that looks nice, but it's gonna look way better paint matched. So let's pull it off, get it prepped, primed, painted, and get it curing so we can get it installed. The lip is fully sanded down. Now let's run through the exact process. These 5 products are gonna go on. First, we clean it with wax and grease, apply adhesion promoter, being that it's plastic, our sealer, in this case I'm using white epoxy primer, our paint, our base coat, finished up with clear. The paint on the lip is now done. We're gonna let this cure for at least 24 hours in the sun before I install it. So while we wait, let's move on. The wheel setup on this car, and I understand, is very controversial. I'm still highly undecided on what we're gonna do there. Either keep the wheels and change up the color, or just change the wheels altogether. But there is one thing that I know all of us can agree on. This car definitely needs tint. What I plan on doing, getting it tinted, I want to do a black roof and then judge and see what exactly we want to do about the wheels. So take one last good look at this car with absolutely zero tint, because here in about 3 hours, it's going to be fully tinted. Well, color me impressed. This thing is coming out better and better, but also the more I tint and the more black these windows get, the more I think this thing in a straight up stormtrooper look, meaning black wheels, black roof, tinted windows, would look nuts. Imagine that. Now all 6 windows on the sides are 100% done, saving the worst for last, the rear glass. It's curved, it's got defroster lines in it, we gotta be careful, and it's gonna be tough. I can finally start to see the vision with this car come to life. All the windows are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a very, very light tint on the windshield. The tint I'm using on this car is a ceramic tint and it has a very, very high heat resistant. So even if I put a clear tint on the windshield, it's still gonna reject heat from getting in the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a 50% tint to the windshield. It's not gonna make a big difference, but it'll look nice. Oh boy, one step closer to perfection. Let's go ahead and knock out the roof, and I have officially decided. I'm hoping tomorrow I can get this done. These wheels, the color is getting changed. I am not a fan of the chrome lip, and the white is so far off. If it matched the color of the car, it might be fine, but man, those gotta go. Do you guys see the vision now? Slowly but surely coming to life. The windows are done. The roof is done. Wheels need to go. But she desperately needs a lip. That lip completely changed the entire look of the car. Not only the front, but the whole thing looks so much better. It flows perfectly with the aero skirts, the SSS aero skirts that are on it. 08 to 10 side skirts are thin. The 11 plus aero model are thicker like that, which flows perfectly with the Voltex lip. I was able to get done everything I wanted to get done today. Black roof, fully tinted windows, lip painted and installed. Now the wheels are drawing a lot of controversy, which I understand. So here's the scoop. I have another set of wheels on the way, a set of 18 by 11s. And when those show up and the new tires show up, we'll get them on the car. And of course, as always, the winner gets to choose whatever set of wheels they want on the car. These wheels, in my opinion, are gonna look great as soon as I fix the color. But I guess we will see tomorrow, because tomorrow I plan on changing the color of the wheels. Just over 2 weeks left on the Evo 10 giveaway. If you wanna get in on winning this car, head to the website. Every $3 you spend is one entry to take her home.